I do think this is a big deal. I do think it's a big deal for not just the Trump administration, but for future administrations. I think the idea of the nationwide injunction was not just, it was certainly escalating. It was something that began basically in the 1960s, has escalated, even caused some trouble for the Biden administration, seemed to only escalate during Trump's tenure. I think this will now limit the practice, and I do think it's ultimately good for the judiciary to be limited in a certain sense. I think that there was growing talk. I think it was wrong, but I think it was growing. Some saying, well, that the courts are out of control, ignore the courts. Now, I think that's very dangerous, but I think there was a lot of attitude. I think that's why Justice Coney Barrett's decision saying that basically pushing back against Ketanji Brown Jackson, saying, that the judiciary can't have authority either, can't be have supremacy either. I think that's become a very big problem in the U.S. system. So I think this creates more balance for our system. It will give President Trump more leeway and give presidents in the future more leeway. It's not an unchecked power that the executive will have. I don't think that's the case at all. I think some are trying to construe it as that. But I do think it's a positive thing. Certainly is for President Trump's agenda, no question.
It's a step in the right direction, but I don't want people to think this is the cure-all. It's not. It's just simply one step. We need a total overhaul of our legal system, which in my view, honestly, is the most corrupt profession in the United States, the legal profession. And that's why there needs to be real reform here. This is not doing it. It's just going a little bit further to restrain the power of these judges.